Management is a process that includes sub-processes. If management is a large process, what are those sub-processes? And we call them planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. You need to plan in order to set the goals, and you need to organize the resources, and you need to lead by inspire and influence in order to achieve the results, and you need to control by having proper checks and balances. So it's all about POLC: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. They are sub processes or functions or pillars of the main process called management. So when you do your planning properly, and when you do your organizing properly, and when you do your leading properly, and when you handle your controlling properly, collectively you ensure that the management process is happening smoothly in order to ensure the management achieves the expected results.